Citizens of Athens on Tuesday woke up to a rare sight: the Greek capital and its ancient monuments under a thick carpet of snow. While some enjoyed it, the army and rescue crews scrambled to clear roads and to free hundreds of drivers trapped on a major highway that runs across Athens and connects the Greek capital with the city's international airport. This after a massive cold front and snowstorm hit much of Greece, leaving countless people and vehicles stranded overnight in freezing conditions.
We can't spend another day here. We have to figure out how to get out of here and go home.
Rescue crews evacuated 3,000 people by early Tuesday. Some drivers abandoned their cars and walked home. Greece's climate change minister apologising.
As a state, we owe an apology to everybody that has suffered or is suffering right now. There's a titanic effort underway by the fire department and the traffic police to free the drivers stranded on the Attiki-Odos ring road.
According to the Prime Minister's office, the motorway is to pay compensation for each stranded vehicle. Authorities asked the public to limit non-essential travel. Trains and bus services in the capital were suspended. State services, vaccination centres, schools and non-essential shops in the wider Athens region shut. Parts of Athens were hit by power cuts. Heavy snowfall also brought operations at Istanbul Airport, Europe's biggest, to a standstill. On Monday, Turkey's flag carrier Turkish Airlines said it had cancelled all flights from Istanbul Airport as the airport closed operations. Turkish authorities declared administrative leave for all public institution personnel on Tuesday to decrease mobility. The storm is forecast to end on Wednesday. Earl Rhodes, NTD News.